How to make a boxed dirty rice with ground turkey my way. Ground turkey, rice, and seasonings. Stop playing. You know what time it is. Let's go. Using a skillet on medium-high heat, add the olive oil. Now add all of the ground turkey to the skillet. Chop the ground turkey into smaller pieces while it is cooking. The ground turkey is fully cooked when there are no more signs of pink or red meat. This next step is purely optional. You can drain off the liquid or keep it to use as a sauce in this recipe. Add the vegetable seasoning blend to the top of the cooked ground turkey meat. Stir the seasoning blend, which are onions, peppers, and celery, well into the cooked ground turkey meat until well combined. Add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of the Worcestershire sauce to the ground turkey and veggie mixture. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the onion powder. The garlic powder. Dried basil. Dried oregano. The CREOLE seasoning. Black pepper. The smoked paprika. The olive oil. Stir all of the seasonings into the ground turkey and veggie mixture until well combined. Take this time to taste and adjust any of the seasonings to your liking. Add the rice that is in the dirty rice box to the top of the seasoned ground turkey and vegetable mixture. Stir the rice into the seasoned ground turkey and vegetable mixture until well blended. Add the chicken broth to the seasoned ground turkey, veggie, and rice mixture. Stir all of the ingredients until they are well blended. Put a top on the skillet, turn the heat down to low, and cook between 15 and 18 minutes. After 15 to 18 minutes, add the dirty rice seasoning that is included in the dirty rice mix box. Add 2 teaspoons of butter. Mix the dirty rice seasoning and butter well into the seasoned ground turkey, veggie, and rice mixture. Sprinkle with dried or fresh parsley, and your boxed, seasoned, ground turkey dirty rice my way is done. And here you have it, the beginner-friendly boxed, seasoned ground turkey dirty rice my way. Serve it with some Texas toast to sop up that olive oil and butter seasoning sauce. You know what time it is. Give this recipe a try and stop playing. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. The beats bumping this video is called Easy Saturday by music producers Bad Snacks, available at the YouTube free audio library. You know what time it is. Subscribe, share, and thumbs up this video and stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.